3,276 times 9 using the area model. We will have 4 boxes because we are doing a 4-digit number. Then we will put our 9 on the side and break our large number into expanded form, making that 3,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 6. We know area is length times width, so we're going to take our numbers down. And we're going to take our 9 over into each box. And we are going to multiply those numbers. We will start in the first box. 9 times 3 is 27, plus I add 3 more zeros on, giving me 27,000. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 more zeros, that gives me 1,800. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 1 zero, 630. 6 times 9 is 54. Then we're going to take those numbers and we'll stack them on up on the side, making sure that we line up our place values and that we write big enough to be able to read our own handwriting. In the end, that will give us the answer, 29,484.